Hi, I am Judith Basco, a modern weaver and a fiber artist, and today we'll be making a hand-woven cup sleeve using Craft Easy's basic weaving kit and yarns.
Let's start by setting up our weaving loom. Make sure to check out the tutorial on how to assemble your basic weaving set. With the loom warped, our first step is to cut the yarn to our desired length by wrapping it around the loom. Here I have wrapped it 3 times so it will not be too long. This weaving set comes with a wooden shuttle that allows you to use longer yarns. We'll create our woven cup sleeve using the plain weave technique, weaving up and down from left to right and then brushing each line closer to the other. Feel free to mix and match the yarn colors you like best. I am sampling the vibrant colors of Craft Easy's threads to make my cup sleeve eye-popping and fun. The size of this loom is perfect to make 2 fabrics that I am sewing together to finish a round sleeve. Make sure to leave enough space in the middle of these 2 fabrics. To finish off our weaves and take them off the loom, I am using the braiding technique at the top and the bottom edges of these fabrics. Make sure to check out the step-by-step tutorial of the braiding technique found in our coaster weaving video on Craft Easy's YouTube channel. To end this technique, simply tie a knot on the last warp thread to secure the stitches. We're now ready to take off our weaves. Cut through the space in the middle that we have created, then slide the loops out of the pegs of the loom. Best practice in weaving is to hide the ends of our threads using a small plastic needle. Time for sewing our fabrics together. Let's tie a basic knot on our starting point by threading a short tail through the other side. Now, let's lay down the 2 fabrics flat on the table to keep them in place and align their stitches better. I insert the needle through each stitch from one side to another to sew them together and connect the 2 fabrics. At the end of your stitch, make sure to create a knot and secure your sewing thread like this. And finally, to create the round sleeve that will fit our coffee cups, we will just have to repeat the previous techniques to sew the other side. You can also try fitting your usual cup or mug first to test it out before sewing.
And there you have it, your hand-woven cup sleeve. Perfect gift for your coffee lover friends and loved ones this holiday season. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Craft Easy's YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next DIY project.